Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you create your own group chat here on WhatsApp? Well, on Messenger it's called group chat, but here it's called community chat. So, you can see these group of people right here. Just go ahead and click that. So, after you click that, you can start your community here. Click here, get started, and then you'll go ahead and put the name here. So you could put whatever name it is you'd like to be inputted here, so it doesn't really matter. And you could also add some photos if you like. And here's the welcoming remarks here that's automatically set it up by the system for you, but obviously you could change that so it is on par with your community's standards. So yeah, that's just basically it. That's how you do it. So once you click save, you'll be off and going on your goal here. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.